Why is the US military creating an army of cyborgs? In this video, I'll show you how the US military is creating an army of cyborgs and what the implications are for humanity. You'll be surprised to see that there is a lot of advancement in this field and the technology is becoming more and more advanced every day. Watch this video to find out all the details. For years, the Pentagon has been working on developing cyborgs, and the technology is progressing at a rapid pace. This technology has significant consequences and has the potential to alter the trajectory of human history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss why the US military is creating an army of cyborg. So if you want to learn everything there is to know about it, start watching this video. What is a cyborg? A cyborg is defined as a human being who has enhanced their body with artificial body parts. This can include anything from a prosthetic limb to a computer chip implanted in the brain. The US military has been using cyborgs for many years now. They started by using them for medical purposes such as repairing injured soldiers on the battlefield. However, they have now begun to use them for other purposes such as increasing the strength and speed of soldiers. Some people believe that augmentation is the future of the human race, while others feel that it is unnatural and poses a danger to society. We have to talk approximately it. Some people believe that augmentation is the future of the human race because it has the potential to improve our quality of life in many ways. For example, it could help us overcome physical limitations or strengthen our intelligence and memory. Others feel that augmentation is unnatural and poses a danger to society because it could lead to people becoming obsessed with technology and unable to socialize or relate to other humans. What are the benefits of having a cyborg army? There are many benefits to having a cyborg army. Some of the benefits include the following. Number 1. Increased strength and endurance. Cyborgs can lift much more weight and run for longer distances than humans. This makes them ideal for heavy lifting or long-distance missions. Number 2. Increased intelligence. Cyborgs can process information much faster than humans, making them better decision makers on the battlefield. Number 3. Increased durability. Cyborgs can withstand a great deal of damage, making them less likely to be injured in battle. Number 4. Increased speed. Cyborgs can move much more quickly than humans, which allows them to keep up with their opponents and avoid danger. Number 5. Enhanced senses. Cyborgs have enhanced senses to see, hear, and smell things that humans cannot. This allows them to detect danger and prey much more quickly. Number 6. Increased strengths. Cyborgs have increased strength to lift heavier objects and hit harder than humans. This allows them to fight harder and carry heavier objects. How might the US military make cyborgs? The United States military is planning to create cyborgs to enhance soldiers' abilities on the battlefield. They're doing this by implanting microchips and electrodes into soldiers' brains to improve their cognitive skills, sensory perception, and motor skills. This may appear to be something out of a science fiction film, yet it is a fact. The United States military has been working on this project for a long time and has developed cyborgs that can run faster, bounce higher, and see better than non-expanded people. DARPA has been conducting experiments on rats and monkeys to achieve this goal. In one experiment, scientists surgically implanted a chip into a rat's brain. This chip allowed the rat to control a prosthetic limb using only its mind. In another experiment, scientists implanted electrodes into the brains of monkeys. These electrodes allowed the monkeys to control a prosthetic arm with their thoughts. The monkeys were even able to feed themselves with the prosthetic arm. Both of these investigations have been fruitful in showing that rodents and monkeys have some control over prosthetic appendages with their considerations. In any case, there are still provokes that should be tended to before this innovation can be utilized by people. Let's have a debate about this as well. How will the public react to the creation of a cyborg army? There is no doubt that the public will have mixed reactions to creating a cyborg army. Some people may be terrified of humans being merged with machines, while others may see it as a step forward in technology and medicine. It is sure to be a controversial topic that will be discussed extensively in the media. Let's think about this as well. What are the implications of having a military made up of cyborgs? There are many potential implications of having a military made up of cyborgs. One possibility is that cyborgs would be more efficient and effective fighters than traditional soldiers. They would be immune to many physical and psychological stresses that can impair human performance in battle. Additionally, cyborgs could be programmed to follow orders without question, leading to fewer casualties on both sides. On the other hand, there are also some potential drawbacks to having a cyborg military. One concern is that cyborgs might become uncontrollable or even rebellious. Additionally, they might be more susceptible to injuries or malfunctions, and they might be less able to connect with civilians. Let's look into this and converse. The drawbacks of having cyborgs in the military. The following are the three main drawbacks of having cyborgs in the military. Number 1, they're expensive. Cyborgs are not cheap to make, they require a lot of maintenance and their parts need to be replaced regularly. Number 2, they are vulnerable to hacking. Cybersecurity is a huge issue, and cyborgs are especially susceptible to hacking. If the enemy can hack into a cyborg system, they can take control of it or even disable it. Number 3, they're not as strong as humans. Cyborgs may have some superhuman abilities, but they're not as strong as humans. They can be overpowered or even killed by a human if they're not careful. Number 4, they can malfunction. Cyborgs are machines, and like all machines, they can malfunction. If a cyborg malfunctions, it could cause severe damage or even death. This poses an extreme risk to the cyborg and anyone around it. Number 5, they can be hacked. Cyborgs are susceptible to being hacked just like any other computerized device that could give someone access to cyborg systems and allow them to control it, potentially leading to disaster. Many potential dangers come with cyborgs as they become more and more popular, and the risk of them being hacked rises. Cyber criminals could gain access to the cyborg's systems and control it, leading to problems. For example, they could take over the cyborg's body and make it do their bidding or access sensitive information that the cyborg has stored. There are also dangers associated with the cybernetic implants themselves. If they were to be hacked, the hacker could gain control of them and use them for their purposes. It is unavoidable that cyborg soldiers emerge. As technology advances, the military around the world will begin to integrate cybernetic devices and prosthetics into the human body in order to produce soldiers that are stronger, quicker, and lighter. This shift in warfare will have several implications for both civilians and combatants. For civilians, the increased use of cyborgs will likely lead to more significant invasions of privacy and loss of autonomy, as governments will be able to track and monitor citizens more efficiently. For combatants, cyborgs will create a new form of asymmetric warfare, like those with cybernetic enhancements will possess physical and cognitive advantages over unenhanced humans. There is a strong incentive to gain control of cyborgs for use in combat. Cyborgs can provide an enormous advantage on the battlefield, as they possess enhanced strength, speed, and senses. Additionally, they can process information faster than humans, allowing them to make better strategic decisions. This could give a nation or organization with access to cyborgs an edge in combat over its enemies. And with that, our video has come to a close. In the comment section below, let us know what you think about the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We will be back with more, but until next time, take care all. Thanks for taking the time to watch.